Do you know CSS background property is very important part of website design. In every single website, use this property to make a beautiful web layout, and it's also very easy to do. So in this video, we'll learn some example that how to use background properties on text, body and div. So let's start.
Friend, this is a page where I will show you that which topics I am going to teach you today. So in this video, CSS background I will show you. So background color, the background color is most important part. So I will show you that how you can implement background color on text, on div or body, and also we will use background image on text, div, body, etc. I will teach you background repeat and background attachment, that how can I fix the image or div anything and make it scroll and sticky, and background shorthand, that if I will attach any image in the website, so how will I keep that image position so that it looks great in the website. So let's get started. This is our editor, and I will write here HTML starting code. Now I will come here directly in body. In the body, first of all, I will take a h1 and I will give some demo text in it. So this is a heading, and now I will create a div, and in the div I will write some demo text, how it will looks like in the website. So Control S, save and refresh it here. So as you can see that these are h1 and this is paragraph. I will use internal CSS in this video, so I will write hairstyle, and in the style I'll type body. First of all, background color like pink. As you can see that background has been changed. If I will give, now I will give background image here, so it will be looks like URL, and I will give 2 number. I'll give 2 number, so 2.jpg. Save and refresh. As you can see that it is looks like this. If I'll change the text color, then color white, Control S, save, refresh, you can see that we have put the background image in body. So if I want to take a background color on h1, I can do that. So h1 background color first, color will be blue, Control S, save, refresh. As you can see, background color has changed of h1, the background color of this div. So I have to give a class name here, class demo, and if I will give the class demo, then dot demo, and in the curly bracket I have to write here background color gray, Control S, save, refresh. As you can see, background color changed. So like that you can do anything here. If I want to change here background image also on h1, So background image URL, want to change 3.jpg. So as you can see, background color of h1, I mean heading, has changed. So like that you can change anything here. And I want to keep color red so that its color will be visible here. So as you can see, it's look better than that. So now I taught you that background color, background image, text, div and body, and now background repeat. As you can see that I have put the background image here. So if I will put here the small image, then it will defaultly take the place in left background image, small image like this. So URL 1.jpg, save, refresh. It's not looking, so I will remove this image so that you could see that image. So as you can see, I have put the one image only, but here you can see two images. So it is repeated. So if it should not repeat here, so I will write here background repeat, no repeat. Control S, save, refresh. As you can see, this is now only looking one and it is not repeated. So this is background repeat. Now background attachment. If I'll write here so many things here, okay, so I will copy this and paste it so many times so you could see the scroll or sticky or fix here. So as you can see, if I scroll down it, this image, this computer image is going up with the scroll. But if I want to make it sticky here, so I have to write the fixed in our style. So I'll show you how to do it. So I'll write here background attachment, fixed, then refresh. And if I scroll down here, you can see the image is now fixed there and you can't see it's going up. So like that you can do this. So I have told you the fixed. If I will keep scroll, then it will be scroll and sticky. That will be sticky but fix out after some time. So now background sorting. If I'll keep this image, this computer image right, so I have to change the position of the image. So I have to give here background position right, control S, save, refresh. As you can see, it's now in the right. Right top, refresh, it is now on the right top. So this is the simple tutorial where I could show you that how we can implement the background color, image, repeat attachments, and shorten.